Toilets are ugly, and I have one board that's going to transform this into something that looks quite pleasing. And with our house still looking like a complete mess, I have just the right tools to make this happen. Outside, that is. I drew up a circular shape and using a table saw, a miter saw, and a jigsaw, I cut it down to size, but I needed it to be completely round and smooth on the edges, and instead of freehanding the shape I wanted, what I did was simply set the piece of wood on top of our toilet and trace the edge to match the outline of the tank lid. Then I used a couple of on-site tools to round off the back corners, but to make it a little more special, I used a router to give the edges an extra detail. Then to make sure it doesn't slide off the toilet, I tacked on an extra little piece on the backside, and once I sanded the piece down completely smooth, I was ready to first prep it with a clear pre-stain. Then this piece was ready to receive the exact same color we stained our wood sink vanity that we made, making sure I do the bottom side first, then flipping it over, doing the top side. After waiting a day, we decided to distress the piece by sanding the corners to reveal bits of the original wood. Then it was time to give it a couple clear coats of protective finish, and it's always helpful to use a brand new brush for this, which I didn't have, but oh well. Then I had to let that cure overnight. Then using a few things Gabby found at the thrift store and whatnot, I grabbed those few items, set on top of it. And did I give this bathroom a very stylish update, or did I make it look like your grandma's cozy house from the 80s? I think I did both.